Ah, look out. All right. Tonight, the bottom drawer. First, we've got the drill hammer. Just picked this up recently. It's got the waffle end there, and then the flat end. It's good for beating on stuff. And then here I've got my brand new hammer. You can tell it's never hit anything. I picked that up recently at a local retailer. All right, here, this is my old original hammer. I've had it a long time. I think I bought this one at an old tool sale somewhere. So somebody else enjoyed it before I had the chance. It's been a good one. All right, another one. It's just a regular old shop hammer. Look at there. Looks like I beat on a T-post or something. And then there, that's what happens when you buy a can of rubberized paint. You end up with handles that look like that. All right, I like it. All right. Oh, the old ball peen hammer. Again, I just got this one recently, and I've not used it yet, but when I need to shape something, I've got it handy and ready to go. All right, let's see. We're done with the hammers, but here we go. We have a PEX ring crimper. All right, that's for plumbing use. It's got the 1/2 inch and the 3/4 options there. Works perfectly. I've got that featured in another video. The dead blow hammer. Got this one at a local retailer. You may be familiar with that brand, Pittsburgh. I don't know, I've busted some ice off of some stuff already this year. All right, another shop hammer. That's a Frooper. Anyway, there's some more T-post paint. Apparently I like to hit T-posts with these shop hammers. And let's see what else we got here. Okay, here we are. The Oregon chainsaw file wrap. It's like a burrito with chainsaw files in it. It's handy. Gets that saw sharpened. All right, what else we got here? All right, the old wire brush. Yep, can't go wrong with that. Looky there. Takes the skin right off. All right, then the hatchet. Some people say you need to bury the hatchet. Well, I keep it in the bottom drawer right there. And then last thing I'm going to show you out here is the side grinder, the angle grinder. Pick that up at a local retailer. Hey man, thanks for watching. You have a good one.